Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. We're going to go over common repairs with a gym floor voltage booster. So we have a three-phase voltage booster here, very commonly used for the gym floor contractor on gym floor job sites. You're running a lot of footage of cable to power up your sanders. This is going to help you regulate that voltage and save your motors. So the common repairs we see, obviously, kind of like any equipment in this industry, you're looking at switch repair, meters, your common outlets. These are twist lock three-phase. So a lot of times we'll see these get burned, and there's reasons for that happening. Some of it can be internal to this machine. Some of it can be external on how you're hooking up, particularly if you're using dual sanders, two sanders on one cart. How you hook those up and have it fed out of this can affect the life of those outlet plugs. As far as equipment, you're looking at three-phase material. These motors are wired typically for three-phase low voltage, so 240 versus high voltage at 480. The motors can typically be rewired for high voltage, but you definitely want to know what your output voltage is, and that's probably one of the most common faults that we see, both with the sander motors themselves or the voltage booster, and it gets plugged into a high voltage situation and it's wired for low voltage. What happens is a burned up transformer. This kind of repair, while it's not that difficult, probably shouldn't be done in the field. A piece of equipment like this should come into our repair center. So you're looking at top and bottom coils completely fried. If something like this happens, we typically look at all the interior wiring, make sure it doesn't have to be replaced, make sure all of the gauges are working. That kind of power coming into a low voltage wired piece of equipment can do some serious damage. So just beware. These are common things that we see, high voltage into a low voltage situation. With regard to the sander, you're also looking at a three-phase low voltage, particularly on this unit. You don't want to put high voltage three-phase into a unit like this. Just going to be a problem. But a voltage booster or a power booster, all of that style of equipment, we can do regular repairs. You can do regular maintenance, keep it blown off, vacuum it out, make sure it's all working before you get to the job site. And so three-phase voltage booster, again, wired for low voltage. The reason this unit came in is it got hit with high voltage. We do the repair on it, and the gym floor contractor is ready to go. So if you have any questions with regard to voltage boosters, power boosters, or any of the other type of equipment used on a gym floor job, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786 at City Floor Supply.